Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today also I am here with solving numerical problem question based on chain surveying. In my previous video, I have already solved the problems based on rise and fall method and height of instrument, that is HI method. Friends, if you haven't watched those videos, once check it. I have kept it on playlist also. Okay, without any delay, now let's go for today's question. Let's read the question first. The chain of line with a chain of 50 meter was found to be 1000 meter. If the chain is 25 centimeter too short, find the true length of the line. Okay, before solving, let's see some basic concept about it. Actually, this question is the type of correction applied to incorrect length. It falls in this category. The question is of finding the correct length or true length for the given incorrect length. So for that we have a simple formula to find true length. We have simple formula, that is TL is equals to L dash upon L into ML. Here L dash means L plus minus E, where E is error, and this ML is measured length. So one more thing, L dash equals to L plus minus E. See here plus and minus is given. So that means positive sign, that is L plus E. If the chain or tape is too long, these things will be given in question itself. Like here we have given if the chain is 25 centimeter too short. Here in our question it is given too short. It might be too long also. So depending upon that, we will use our formula, and negative sign, that is L minus E if the chain or tape is too short. So friends, let's directly solve the question. The question is very simple. Okay, let's see what are the given terms. The chain of the line with a chain of 50 meter. Okay, our chain is, that is 50 meter, that is length, was found to be 1000 meter. Okay, that is measured length, because after line with a chain of 50 meter was found to be 1000 meter. So that will be the measured length. So we'll write ML, which goes to 1000 meter. And if the chain is 25 centimeter too short, okay, that is our error. Error is equals to, it is given 25 centimeter. Since it is in meter, we have to convert this also in meter. So that will be 0.25 meter. Now we have to find okay, see, our formula is TL is equals to L dash upon L into ML. And what is L dash? L dash is equals to L plus minus E. Okay, now we should know whether we have to use L plus E or L minus E. Since the question is too short means L minus E. So we'll use L minus E, that is L dash is equals to L minus E. We know L is equals to 50, so we'll write 50 minus error is 0.25. Okay, that will be okay, 49.75 meter. Now after knowing L dash, we can simply substitute the value in this formula. TL is equals to L dash upon L into ML. What is our value of L dash? That is 49.75. L is 50, and our measured length is, that is ML, is 1000. Okay, so let's see. By doing simple calculation, we can able to get our answer. Okay, 995 meter. That means our true length is 995 meter. That is true length is equals to 995 meter. Friends, with this we finish this simple question. Now let's go to the second question. Okay friends, let's go for the second type of question. Before going to the question, let's write formula. This formula is TL is equals to L dash upon L into ML. okay, where L dash equals to L plus minus E. That means L equals to L plus E or L minus E. Okay, let's read question first. The distance between two stations was 1200 meter when measured with a 20 meter chain. Okay, question is saying that this is station 1. If this is station 2, the distance between this is 1200 meter when measured with a 20 meter chain. Okay, with 20 meter chain we measured the same distance when measured with 30 meter chain. Okay, for the same distance, that is 1200 meter, if we measure from 30 meter chain, then we found it's 1195 meter. If the 20 meter chain was 0.05 meter too long, okay, for 20 meter chain, error is saying it's E equals to 0.05 meter too long. Okay, too long means L plus C. If it is said too short, L minus C. Same like in previous question. Okay, let's go to the question once again. What was the error in 30 meter chain? Okay, we need to find error in 30 meter chain. Why? Because error in 20 meter chain is already given, that is 0.05 meter. Now we have to find error in 30 meter chain. Whether it is too long or too short, we need to find. Okay, let's start solving. Friends, since the question is giving in two cases, so we'll separate it and write case 1 and case 2. It will be very easy. Let's see for the case first. What are the given value? L, the distance between two stations was 1200 meter when measured with a 20 meter chain. So L is 20 meter chain. Okay, L is length, and E is equals to error. Error is given 0.05 meter. Error given. Too long. Too long means we'll use this formula, L plus E. And our now we need ML. ML will be the distance between two stations was 1200 meter. Okay, ML will be our 1200. Let's move to this case second. Here L is given. If it's 20 meter, it's for 30 meter. Error is given or not? No, we have to find error. So it's what? Error for 30 meter. Okay, 30 meter chain. We need to find error for 30 meter chain. And our ML is the same distance when measured with 30 meter chain was found to be 1195. Okay, 1195 is our ML, that is measured length. Now for case 1, let's go for formula for 20 meter chain. We know the formula, that is TL is equals to L dash upon L into ML. So we'll write that one. And we know L dash is equals to L plus E. Why we are writing L plus E? Because it's saying too long for 20 meter chain. So L plus E. Let's write L is 20. E is equals to E, that is 0.05. That will be around, okay, 20.05. Now let's substitute the value of L dash in formula. That will be TL is equals to 20.05 upon L is our 20 and ML is 1200. Okay, let's calculate the value. Okay, 20.05, 20 into 1200, that gives 1203 meter. Okay friends, our true length is 1203 meter for 20 meter chain. Now, but our question is asking us what was the error in 30 meter chain. So we need to find error. For that, for 30 meter chain, let's write same formula. Okay, L dash upon L into ML, and our true length is 1203. Where from here we are writing 1203 is equals to L dash and L is 30 meter and ML is 1195. So what is L dash? That will be L plus C. Okay, if too long. So by solving this, okay, to solve this 1203, this will go here. That will be L dash equals to, we are getting 30.20 meter. Okay, so it's in positive value. Okay, so this is also too long, so we are writing L plus C. L plus C means L dash is 30.20 is equals to L is our 30 plus error. So again our 30.20 minus 30 is equals to error. Therefore error is equals to 30 means 0.20 meter. It's coming in positive, so too long. Okay, finally we get the value. Our error for the 30 meter chain was okay, the error for 30 meter chain is 0.20 meter and the error for 20 meter chain is 0.05 meter, which is given, and we found only error in 30 meter. So this is our answer. Hence the error in 30 meter chain is 0.20 meter, which is, don't forget to write this too long. Okay, too long. Okay friends, I hope you are very much clear about the problem, this two problem. I request once again to go through such question and practice. For today, this much I want to wind up the video. And if you haven't subscribed my video, please do subscribe. In coming days I will be coming with very interesting questions on solving only. Thank you.